Welcome to Ramco Systems. Production planning with Ramco On-Demand ERP. Any sale order or forecast recorded in Ramco On-Demand ERP creates a demand. By using the MRP, the production planner can plan effectively purchases, subcontract and in-house production. The lead times for the material purchase and the time taken to complete activities are critical inputs to the MRP. The primary input for MRP planning is given at item level. To define the planning parameters at item level, click Inventory module, and Item Administration, and maintain item details. We can define the other item level planning parameters using the Item Planning Details link at the bottom of the Item Master screen. Using this screen, we can define different lead times and the safety stock of the item. Also, here we can define the planning policy of the item. Ramco On-Demand ERP supports multi-levels of bill of material, that any demand for the finished product creates demand for the child items across all levels of the bill of material. The method of planning and safety stock levels can be set at the item levels to ensure economy of scale. To explode the bill of material, we need to click the Discrete Production module, Bill of Material Model, and Bill of Material Full Explosion Activity. Looking at this screen, we can find the complete requirements of child parts required at each level of bill of material. Open Analyze Supply Demand screen. This report can be used to planning the supply, vis-a-vis the demand on hand. This helps you in realizing the deficit or shortfall at item level because it gives a picture of the total supply and demand of an item for a given period. Click Discrete Production module, Supply Chain Planning, Analyze Supply Demand. The production planner can check the projected demand and projected supply for individual items on a click of the button. He can view the shortfall he will have considering all open orders against the respective dates of the demand. To precisely plan, he just needs to run the MRP. The MRP considers the stock on hand, work in progress, and subcontract work in progress, while requesting supply. To open the Planning Run screen, we need to click Discrete Production module, Supply Chain Planning and Planning Run. The MRP can be run as a whole for the company, specific warehouses, specific departments, or even for specific items. Options are available to take either the net change in demand from the previous MRP as input, or plan for all open demand afresh. When you click the Planning Run, the status of the MRP gets updated as completed. You can also schedule the MRP at a later point of time. To look at the work orders created by running MRP, we have to go to Discrete Production module, click Work Order Activity and maintain Work Order UI. The subcontract requests, purchase requests, and the work order requests created, based on the sourcing rule of the items can be viewed here. Clicking on Search displays all items and the start and due date, according to the corresponding capacity planning. The planner can decide to change the source of the item for that order, considering capacity constraints. The start dates for the orders are calculated by backward scheduling, from the delivery date, considering lead times. The planner has the provision to check the source demand for each dependent transaction. Though each sale order needs multiple supply orders to be fulfilled, at any point of time, the sales department can be notified on the status of the work in progress against each sales order. For this, go to Discrete Production Supply Chain Planning View Order Pegging. Helps in monitoring the status of work in progress, improves effectiveness of planning, and speeds up the process of planning. Foresee all problems that might be faced regarding materials and resource capacity, and get proactive. Planning your production can be done with ease with the help of Ramco On-Demand. Contact us for a demo at cloud@ramco.com or call us